Hey Peter, this is John Newman here, riding 1928 JD. Hope to make it all the way, trouble-free.
Is this your first Cannonball?
It is.
This is your first Cannonball?
Yep.
All right, how's it run?
Runs great.
All right. Sounds great. Good luck.
All right, thank you. Appreciate it.
My name's Randy Aaron out of San Diego, California. It's a 1929 JD Harley.
1929. You call it Lucille, is that correct?
That's right.
I knew that. So, how's it run?
It's running pretty good.
Yeah?
Hopefully it'll run good today.
I see you're also a member of the Hamsters.
Yes, I am.
Y'all raise a lot of money for good charities.
Yes, we do.
And that's awesome.
Yeah.
My hat's off to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Randy. Frank Westfall from New York, right?
Syracuse, New York.
Oh, there's a difference. Now, what are you riding this year?
A 1917 Henderson.
1917 Henderson. This is your third Henderson, third Cannonball. Now,
For the Cannonball, it's my third time, but I did the great race in 96 on a Henderson, Tacoma to Toronto. 98 Tacoma to Haverhill, 2 up, and a disciplined rally, not a point A to point B. We're on vacation.
discipline. We don't want discipline. All right. So you just put this together. Are you confident about it running and making the run? I'd say that's pretty good.
Man, it's a fun.